sebagai gudang senjata ya. Dan gua ini dibangun pada masa Perang Dunia Kedua. Kemudian gua ini buntu, tidak ada tembusannya. Ini dibuatnya secara dipahat oleh Romusa atau pekerja paksa. Gua ini dibangun untuk menghadapi agresi militer Belanda II ya. Jadi ini yang bikinnya orang kita nih, cuman atas perintah Jepang ya, Romusa ya, Romusa.
Combination of words I could put on the back of a postcard. No song that I can sing, but I can try for your heart. Our dreams, and they are made out of real things, like a shoebox of photographs with sepia tone of loving. Love is the answer, at least for most of the questions in my heart. Like, why are we here, and where do we go, and how come it's so hard? It's not always easy, and sometimes life can be the same. And I'll tell you one thing, it's always better when we're together. It's always better when we're together. Yeah, we'll look at the stars when we're together. Well, it's always better when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together.
Karena ini ada patung yang menyerupai sepintas katanya seperti keledai. Itu juga saya belum tahu jelas untuk keledai kayak gimana Pak. Sepertinya banyak yakin Pak. Keledai itu. Nah ini kalde ini, bentuk ini jadi sengaja dipahat, sengaja dibikin. Ada dua versi yang menjelaskan. Menurut versi kebudayaan bahwa beliau itu adalah seorang pertapa sakti, namanya Raden Arya Sandi Kumarang Pak. Di versi lain menjelaskan bahwa beliau itu seorang bajak laut, katanya Bajo, yang datang ke sekitar
I was somewhere in between, with only two, just me and you. Not so many things we got to do, or places we got to be. We'll sit beneath the mango tree now. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. We're somewhere in between together. Well, it's always better when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together.
Nah ini teman-teman gua silakan.
I believe in memories that look so pretty when I sleep. And when I wake up, you look so pretty, sleeping next to me. But there is not enough time, and there is no song I could sing, and there is no combination of words I could say. But I will still tell you one thing, we're better together.
Those were running wild because they're big and mean and sacred, and the children playing cricket with no shoes. That morning we woke up and to a 7-hour drive where there we were in South Baton, where women are men and men go wrong. And there were so many fewer questions when stars were still just a hose to heaven. And then there were so many fewer questions when stars were still just a hose to heaven. Officials were quite friendly once we bribed them with our sweet talking, drowned them with our cigarettes and booze. Disembarking from the port with no mistakes of any sort, moving south, the engine running smooth. The next morning we woke up, man, with the sunrise to the right. We're moving back north to Port Blair, where boats breaking, children staring. There were so many fewer questions when stars are still just the holes to heaven. And then there were so many fewer questions when stars were still just the holes to heaven.
Can't count the years on one hand that we've been together. I need the other one to hold you, make you feel better. It's not a walk in the park to love each other, but when our fingers interlock, can't deny you're worth it. 'Cause after all this time, I'm still into you. I should be over all the butterflies, but I'm into you, and baby, even on our worst nights, I'm into you. They don't wonder how we got this far, 'cause I don't really need to wonder at all. Yeah, after all this time, I'm still into you. Recount the night that I first met your mother, and on the drive back to my house, I told you that I loved you. You felt the weight of the world fall off your shoulder, and to your favorite song we sang along to the start of forever. Oh, and after all this time, I'm still into you. I should be over all the butterflies, but I'm into you, and baby, even on our worst nights, I'm into you. They don't wonder how we got this far, 'cause I don't really need to wonder at all. Yeah, after all this time, I'm still into you. Some things just make sense, and one of those is you and I. Some things just make sense, and even after all this time, I'm into you, baby. Not